If you want your living room to feel more spacious, more styled, and effortlessly elegant in 2026, then you're going to love today's video. These ideas are modern, airy, warm, and incredibly easy to recreate, no matter the size of your home. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your interior designer friend who helps you create warm, cozy, beautifully curated spaces, step by step. Today I'm sharing 15 modern elegant living room design ideas that will instantly upgrade your home for 2026. Before we begin, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss a new home decor video. Alright, let's dive in. 1. Soft neutral foundation. Start with a gentle base, think creamy whites, warm taupes, or soft grayish. This creates an airy backdrop where every decor piece feels intentional and elevated. A neutral base also makes the room feel calmer, bigger, and more styled. 2. Layered lighting for a warm glow. 2026 design is all about soft contrast and warm lighting layers. Mix floor lamps, table lamps, and subtle sconces to create a cozy evening glow instead of harsh overhead lights. 3. Curved seating for a softer look. Curved sofas and accent chairs instantly bring elegance. They soften the room visually, create natural flow, and make the space feel modern, luxe, and inviting. 4. Minimalist coffee table styling. Keep surfaces clean but intentional. Use a low bowl, a textured vase, and one curated stack of books. This minimalist layering makes your room feel styled without looking busy. 5. Warm wood accents. 2026 leans heavily into warm, organic textures. Add walnut, oak, or matte wood finishes to bring warmth and balance to all the soft tones in the room. 6. Oversized wall art. Large art instantly elevates a space. Go for abstract, soft-tone pieces that create impact while keeping the room feeling calm and airy. 7. Cozy textured area rugs. Choose a plush or subtly patterned rug that adds warmth underfoot. Texture makes the room feel layered, comfortable, and professionally styled. 8. Natural light plus sheer curtains. Let the daylight flow freely. Use sheer, light-filtering drapes to soften sunlight and add a dreamy elegance to the space. 9. Statement marble or stone pieces. One marble coffee table or side table can transform your living room. The subtle veining adds luxury without feeling overwhelming. 10. Layered throw blankets plus pillows. Mix soft tones and textures, boucle, knit, velvet, linen, for a cozy and elevated look. 11. Greenery for a fresh, airy mood. Use tall indoor plants to create height and softness. Greenery makes every modern room feel alive, fresh, and welcoming. 13. Floating media console. A wall-mounted console makes the room feel more open and modern. It also allows light to flow under the furniture, creating an airy vibe. 14. Subtle metallic touches. Use soft gold, brushed brass, or champagne finishes. When used sparingly, metallics add a gentle glow and modern elegance. A balanced, open layout. Leave breathing space between furniture pieces. A clean layout is the secret behind every modern, elegant living room. It instantly feels more curated, airy, and calm.